Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all please turn on y'all bell so that y'all can be notified every time your girl drop another video. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what should I do. Should I do the keto meal replacement or just the meal replacement by itself? But I ended up doing both of them. So yeah, I added like one banana to it, and yeah, y'all, it was very tasty, very delicious, and it tastes like regular chocolate milk. So I really enjoyed it. Right here, it died and come back every year, so it done died, but it gonna come back next year. And this one right here just growing. Y'all see that? Move this curtain back. So yeah, and then I got these two over here sitting on my table. So yeah, y'all. Today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on y'all bell so that y'all can be notified every time your girl posts another video. And yes, shout out to Miss Slim Shell for sharing my video today. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So yeah, peace.